Hi guys, welcome to Wow Vlogs. This is your Arshit, welcomes you back. And a few people know about my channel who are also eagerly waiting for the videos that I'm going to give or show them. But few who doesn't know, this is all going to be about the travel, and this is going to be about the lifestyle, and I'm going to explore few places, nature. So there are a lot of new contents which are coming up, and I want you guys to stay tuned and support me, and where I can get you some new contents. However, this is going to be a good travel vlog for sure, as per your blessing. So let's get it started, and the name of the channel is Wow Vlogs. Do not forget to subscribe. So if you like it, please push that button for subscribe, and that's where it all goes on. So yeah guys, then let me not make you wait, and let's get started for the day. And since it's my first vlog, I don't know how long and what all I can show you, but it's going to be a simple nature that I'm going to show you in the first vlog. So that's all about it. Let's get it started. So look at me, I'm wearing mask, and it's mandatory that everyone needs to wear mask in this time. Even the COVID cases are also increasing everywhere. Even Coorg is also, it's 1.0, but still we have a lockdown still continued. So I request everyone to wear mask. Do not go outside without mask. Okay, so as you know guys, even I'm not going to roam. Basically I'm just going to show you guys here a few places since it's open today here. So do not worry about me. Same way, please take care of yourself as well, and let me just show you where exactly I'm going. Just hold on guys. This is the place where the checking happens, and this is actually a way which goes towards Kerala, and here the cops will be there, and this is the road, Kerala road guys. Directly take you to Kerala. Since I'm driving and I'm using my boat, so it's a bit shaky guys, please do not mind. Yes, everyone are packing and they're going. It's gate 12. Hamara aisa bhi hai. See, you can see the rear mirror of my car. Oh, wonderful. Yes guys, I'm about to reach. Let me just call him up and let me just show you guys few things. Please hold on guys. And guys, please do not make any videos or anything while you drive, like how I'm doing. I'm just taking a little bit of risk and I'm doing it, but please, you do not catch hold on your phones or anything while you're driving. So that's the reason you can see I'm just going in 10s and 20s bit slowly, so that it wouldn't harm anyone. So I also request you the same. Yeah, that's it. I'm almost reached, and Punit is already coming, I believe, waiting for me. So I think I'll show you guys. Wait. Yes, now we have reached Punit, and this is Punit. Yes.
Hi bro.
Yes, come on. Yes, we are going. I don't know what to show you guys today. However, the lockdown is there. Let me just start a drive from here now. Yes. See guys, this is where we are actually going now. We're on the way, finding some good nature for you guys. So we'll have to just wait for some time unless we reach some good location. However, once every lockdown is out, we have a lot of places to see. Right now, this is what we have, and we are just going. Guys cannot see it very well. It's a huge hill basically. Let's go one day once everything is out. So let's see what else I can explore here. Let me show you one by one as per possibilities.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
All about this, guys, and every day, yeah, there will be a new vlog which will be coming up from my end. However, it's a peaceful place that we are having. Nobody is around, only me and nature. And you can also see it's a bit sunny, since because of the lockdown I'll not be able to go anywhere and show you guys anything much, but there are a lot of things which are coming up which I'll be showing you guys. Okay, stay focused, stay tuned. And it's not ended, I'm just going to show you until unless I reach home a lot of things, and let's see what we get on the way. Left that place, and again we're just trying to find some other location that one of my friend knows, a kind of a river which flows, and we're just adding there. So please wait, we're just about to reach.
Finding life along the way.
Guys, the one which I'm focusing, my friend just told me that's an ancient bridge from the British time, basically, this particular bridge. Okay, there was road which was connecting to this bridge this way. Now it's completely estate. My camera is not that good, guys. I hope you can't see it better, but I'm trying to show better. So now this is the new bridge, guys, basically. So this is the old bridge which was there during the ancient time. Wow, wonderful location that we have come, guys. I showed you this bridge. See, I'll show you the piece of that bridge, okay, where it has come. It's here. It has come flowing from there, maybe very long time back. I don't know about the date and such things when it came, but it came long time back, I believe, guys. And it is stuck here. It's an ancient time bridge, guys, which I'm showing you, where people used to go. I don't know which vehicle used to go. I think only bicycle or something like two-wheeler was there, I believe. None of the cars would go on this, even the bullock cart or anything, as you guys also see. I hope you are seeing this, guys. Amazing, from there to here. Wow. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed a bit of my places that I have shown you. However, do not yeah, it's good to wear the mask, so that's why I'm wearing. So wherever we go, it's safe as well. So we are actually leaving, guys, from here. However, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely you guys will see a lot of other places and things that I'm exploring. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you really enjoyed, please click that subscribe button and like and share. However, I'll just show you the place how I reach home. That will be the final thing, guys. Yes, let's start going home, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm heading back home now. Yeah, no I'm actually ending the vlog very soon today because of time constraint. I'll have to just go back and start my work as well. I have a lot of other works to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see, this is how the place are. And if you want me to show you guys, yeah, just hold on guys. And show you some good places. For the ones who are actually waiting, guys, this is all for the vlog. Definitely next vlog will be exciting, so stay tuned. Who are watching for the first time, so click this below button and see the view guys. Click the below button and subscribe. More than this view, I'm going to give you a lot of other travel places for sure guys. So let's end this vlog here guys. I think I've taken much of everybody's time. Stay tuned for the next vlog. All take care of you and your family as well. Bye guys.